Welcome to the setup video of the One-for-All 16662 antenna. This video will explain how to position and set up your new antenna. First, unwind the coaxial cable at the bottom. This is for VHF high channels only. Then connect the included power adapter into any standard 120 volts wall outlet. After this, connect the micro USB connector at the other end to the power inserter. Connect the coaxial cable attached to the power inserter to the antenna-in connector at the back of the TV or set-top box. This antenna has a unique signal level indicator, which clearly shows the current strength of incoming TV signals. By pressing the signal button on the front of the antenna, instant visual feedback is given by a number of LEDs lighting up for 30 seconds. Please note, you may live in a weak signal area where the incoming signals are not at full strength, so not every LED will light up. However, it may still be sufficient to receive channels in good quality. Position the antenna as high as possible, close to or in a window and facing the direction of the TV towers for best reception. If you are not sure in which direction your TV towers are, please check channelchecker.com and it will tell you in 3 simple steps. After positioning the antenna, check the signal strength by pressing the signal button on the front of the antenna. You can also rotate the dome of the antenna for fine-tuning in order to improve reception even more. After each rotation, check the signal strength by pressing the signal button on the front. When the signal is good, you can perform a channel scan on your TV. Set the tuner mode of the TV to antenna first, then choose Channel Scan. With other TVs, this may be called Auto Program, Auto Tuning, Auto Scan, or Channel Search in the setup menu of your TV. If the number of channels or the quality is poor, please change the antenna's position and repeat all steps. Remember to rescan on your TV whenever you move the antenna. With these few simple steps, you have just installed the One-for-All 16662 antenna. Happy viewing!